Some glitch, sir, for her.
Happened.
Yeah, I think it is getting. Okay. The recording has been started now. The first thing is installation part. Then we should discuss the subscription of the image for EVNG and GNS3. Then we'll go for the configuration of the Cisco Palo Alto Firewall configurations and lab access. And as for the team, I will give the lab access. Okay. So let's discuss the first thing is this all vendor is pre-loaded in the applications, that is your GNS and EVNG software. Remotely, you can able to access it. It has a lot of options to access using a web browser. And we can install in VMware Workstation or VMware ESXi. We can install it both GNS3 and as well as EVNG we can install. But I have subscribed for the both. So as I need for my hands-on, and you people also need this access to do the lab hands-on access. So one more important thing I want to discuss. So here you can able to learn how to access the remotely. So as you know that nowadays all applications, all this thing we are doing in web-based using web browser, right? So same thing I want to give my web browser which I'm using the Chrome. Okay, so that you can access my ESXi. Okay, in ESXi. So what are the things I have installed? Okay, so I have installed your EVNG. Okay, then I have installed GNS3. I have installed Windows 10. Okay, I have also installed your 2019 server. Okay, these all things we can is application work, guys. This all application, this all the operating system which I have installed in your VMware ESXi. So now, so in the Chrome, okay, the IP address which I'll show you the document, the lab session, all these things, how to do the lab all in part, and how what is the password and IP address for all these machines, how we can able to access it. So I will send you this one, this credential for all the GNS, Windows 10 and 2019 server, guys. So when you log in here, we can see this all image files is already preloaded. So how we are using the Cisco packet tracer, same thing, just we are pulling the image icon of the router, switches, PC, server, right? Firewall, the Cisco packet tracer. Okay, same thing here. Here also we can use just by remotely. So as you know that just local we are doing. In your office, how we are doing, just we are locally, we are using your packet tracer, Cisco packet tracer we are using, right? Same thing here. So which I have subscribed. So if you want, guys, I will share you this link. Okay, the site name is Dynamap Store. So Dynamap Store, where you can subscribe for I think $60. It will come around Indian rupees, 2400 rupees. It will come. Okay, you can subscribe. So I have taken this. Okay, so that I'll not get any issues while loading this. Okay, and make sure that they will give the two files. Okay, so let me erase that. Okay, when you subscribe this, so they will give you to download a full pack of your EVNG. Okay, EVNG and GNS. So it will be having the how to install everything, all documents will be there. So today we are going to install this configuration, guys. These all things which you have done here. So we're going to install it. I'll show you. I'll share my another PC screen. Okay. So after completing this basic agenda, okay, when you subscribe, they will going to issue here two files. The each file contains one file contains 43 GB. Okay, this is the first file, and second file will be 49 GB, which is compressed. Okay, so when you download this, okay, so each file, suppose if you take this file, if you uncompress, you extract this file, so it will take your, I think, 101 GB. If you extract this file, so it will take 112 GB. Okay, to download this, okay, so depending upon your internet speed, so I think it's required 100 Mbps to download this. It takes, I think for me, because has subscribed for this thing, I think right, Internet Download Manager. I think you might heard about it, right? So I subscribed. So I had downloaded in 2 hours. These all files. So depending upon if you subscribe this, I think about Internet Download Manager, guys. You know about this? Anybody heard?
Yes, sir.
Okay, so we can subscribe this. Yes, you need to pay for the lifetime, just I think $900. Okay, if you buy this, it will download fast. Okay, you should have the minimum of this internet speed. If you want, this is optional. Okay, if you want, you can subscribe these things so that we can do this all vendor hands-on. Okay. Now, so once if you have downloaded this, okay, so how to where we have to subscribe. So let me show you that one also. So yesterday I have subscribed with these guys. Okay, so this is the guy, guys, where I have subscribed. You can see they have sent me the link. Okay, this is the IDMB, which I have IDM Internet Download Manager, which will be very fast. You can see it has given a serial number. I don't want to show this. Next thing is for this thing like PayPal, I have paid $63 for you can see, right? So EVNG lab, full lab practice for the CCNA, CCNP, CCI, and all vendors. These are worth paying, guys. You can see, right? It's worth paying. Okay. The meanwhile, I think you can able to subscribe if you want. Okay. So next come to this is very important, guys, what I'm telling, because after a lot of R&D, because as you know that buying the image file for a different vendor, okay, they will not give easily. So each cost them not into hundreds and dollars, right? So that's the reason. So for you people, like I've subscribed so that you can do the hands-on. Fine. So I'll stop sharing this screen and then I will share my another screen. Let me share my other screen. Is it my voice is audible, right? Because I'm not using the headphone. Even my entity laptop, I'm using the wireless this time because I have connected all my desktop these things cables with my router. Let me share this thing. Taking time because for shifting it taking time because a lot of people have been logging this thing. How are you, Sony? Now you're feeling good today?
Yes, I'm feeling good.
Okay.
Good to see you.
Good to see you, man, again.
Thank you, sir. Good to see you too, sir.
Thank you very much, man. Let me share you my entire screen. I hope you can able to see, right? So this is the subscription, guys, what I am talking about. So you can go to this dynamic store. Okay, I'll share you this link in the Teams. I think in the chat box. I'll share this skill later, okay? Okay, so then what I did means after doing that, okay, so as you know that we have to transfer this 111 GB of your files, file size. So I'm getting transfer. So can you see here? You can see, right? It is getting transferred. So where the EVNG which are downloaded, okay, so it takes another, I think, 1 hour, 1 to 2 hours it takes. Okay. Okay. Then I think this installation part I'm going to show you in the after the lunch. Fine, because you know it's uploading because from my desktop to I'm transferring to my server, right? So that's the reason. So it's taking long time because you know when I started the today's training, I start uploading these images so that once it has been uploaded, so that I can show you how to install this. Fine, guys. So now, so as you know that, so I have created the teams, right? Okay. So what I will do means in the weekdays or Saturday, Sunday, okay, I will give the lab access to my server. Okay. So how to access the server is very simple, easy. Once if you access means you can able to understand this. So as per the team, what I have made when I start the session, I think I have made, I think 5 teams. I think Srisha team, Rahul team, Sonu, Vishnu, I think one more team. I think 5 team I have made.
4 teams.
Okay, for 4 teams. Okay, Vishnu, Sonu, Rahul, and Srisha, right? Okay, so I think 4 team I have made. So you can plan. So when you want to access from your home. Okay, the 5 people they can access from your home. Okay, and we can use the teams. We can use the teams to access the server. Fine, guys. I think if I give the control to you. So let me give the control to any one of the guy. Just give to Rahul. Rahul, I'll give the control. So please check like what are the things I configured on my ESXS server. Just check. I want to check the connectivity because you know you need to cooperate with your team members. Okay, I have not yet given. Okay, Rahul, I have given to the access now. Right, I think you can able to see, right? The cursor just Windows 10 is already open. So please open that Windows 10. Just click on the monitor. Yeah, on the black screen. Yes. Means you can able to access, right? The same way.
Yes, sir.
Just click on this. The password, I'll give the password how to log in here. Okay, the password is P capital PASSW 0RD. And exclamatory. No, not exclamatory.
Okay, okay.
P capital
P
PASSW 0RD capital. Sorry, exclamatory sentence. Exclamatory means just icon, just. I think Shift and 1. Shift and
Yes,
1.
sir.
So now you can able to log in, right? So here I'm inside the ESXi. You can able to access it, right? So now just on this one, GNS3, GNS virtual machine. Just Not here in the VMware, not here. Just close it. Yeah. Minimize this. I'll show you this. Minimize is this here. You can see, right?
Okay.
This is the minimize. So it will come here. Okay. So now you just open GNS virtual machine. So it's loading now. So like this, guys. So yeah, every team I will give 3 hours, 4 hours, Saturday, Sunday, guys. So I think this is the best idea I can give to guys. It's loading now. So now you, Rahul, you can see, right?
Sir, sir.
Check the IP address of this GNS VM. Just cancel it. Okay, you can see, right? What is the IP address on your screen? You can see, right? What is the IP address, Vishnu?
192.168.0.
Okay, so Rahul, just open the windows now. Minimize this and open the windows now. Yeah, that one. Yes. So now take it as now you open the GNS3 now on the desktop of this window. GNS3. Yes. Just open that. Double click. That's it. It will open. Do you feel any issue, Rahul? I think you can able to access, right?
No, sir. Yes, sir.
Let me. Once you open this.
So when I'm double clicking it, the menu bar is opening, sir. The home button.
I think let me close this. No, man, you are clicking somewhere.
Sir, Allah, sir. Cursor Allah is there, sir.
Okay, open from here. See, for remote accessing, I need to close this. Let me close this. See, guys, so you can see, right? So I have downloaded this big file. Let me close this. Just open from. Just open from. Just type here on the search. On the search, using the keyboard, you open. Yes, now we can able to log in, right? Okay,
Yes,
so now just give to Sonu. Let's see how he's feeling about this one. I'll give control to Sonu now. Sonu, you are not there in the list.
Yes,
Yeah. Yes. Okay, now we can access Sonu. So see, now it's not yet connected. Can you see here the right side? You can see the virtual machine, GNS virtual machine. So now it is connected to the local server. Right.
Okay.
So do you remember the GNS VM IP address?
0.2.
0.2. Okay. So now just cancel this. Okay. So now cancel this window. Yes. Okay. Now open the GNS there, which is minimized there. Yeah. It's not opening. Let me open for myself.
No, sir, it's not opening.
Okay. I think it's loading here still. This has been loaded. Okay, so now it's loading. Because here it's uploading. Can you see here down? See, it's uploading the EVNG. It is completed 68% and 42%. So these two files, what we can see, EVNG full package disk 2 and disk 1. So each content is almost 50 or 60 GB. So it contains almost 100 GB almost. 100 GB, I'm transferring these files to this server. Okay, so let's open this guy. Yeah, so now we can able to see, right? Someone is clicking somewhere.
No, sir, I didn't click.
Okay, at the same time, okay, let me take myself. I'll give that. So at the same time, guys, what I'm going to do is, so I will on the GNS which we have opened here. Okay, so so it's taking long time. So what we'll do, so we'll open our old EVNG, so which I have installed before. Okay, so let's access this guy. So now I am just on my emulated virtual environment, next generation. This is the EU. Is a package like where we can run your all application. This is the old. So previously I have already installed. Okay, so just I'm showing you how to access that so that it will help you people to do the lab. Okay. Okay, so now he's asking the IP address and it has given the IP address. Can you see that? What is the IP address there?
0.97.
Okay, Vishnu, I will give the access. Open this file in the web browser. So I have given control to you. I think now we can open the web browser. Can you able to access? Yes.
Yeah.
Yes. Open the web browser there. New tab and give that IP address. HTTPS. Give HTTPS that IP address. So it's already it is 200. 0.200 is my ESXS server. just open that tab. Same, yeah, same tab. Open once again. I think HTTP have given.
I've given it. 1 minute. Thanks.
Yes. It is given down. Just you can click there.
Slash.
So if it is not opening, okay, just open my domain name before the tab. Third one, not there. Yeah, that one. Okay, now open the Windows 10 there, which is minimized. Corner one. Middle one. It is there.
Yeah.
Corner.
Yeah.
Okay, so now you open the Chrome here. Let me open again.
It's not opening. No touch.
Okay, let me check. Let me stop your. So it's loading now. So now give the same IP address here. It's already there. Select the first option.
Yes.
First one.
Load on. Loading. Yeah. Slash. Slow order. It's actually a little slow here. I think network problem.
From your side or my side?
From my side, I guess it's lagging a bit. Yeah, when I'm doing, it's lagging. When you're doing, it's perfect. But when I'm doing, it's lagging a lot.
Because you people connected wireless, right, to the laptop.
Yes.
At home, all people have the cable, right, to connect with their laptops.
Yes, Ethernet cable.
Yeah. So if you don't have it, just you can buy. It's a very easy one. I think 100 or 200 rupees, 150 or 200 rupees. You can buy this cable. Okay, so then you can able to access it. Let me check from my side.
Charge.
So let me check from my side now. I think this Windows machine 0.97, the IP address is this. Chat, please. The reason why I'm doing this because just taking long time. That's the reason still is getting installed. It taking long time. Something has opened. I don't know why it's getting very slow today.
Touch, I think it's open 2 times your Windows. Just check.
No, only one time.
Only one time.
Activate.
It will not open, Vishnu. In the ESXi, we can't open multiple Windows 10 like this.
Oh.
If you are opening server again, if you open, it will not open.
Oh.
It will open the previously what you opened.
Mhm.
It will not open. Okay, let's minimize this. Let's open my GNS3 from here. So you can see, right? So guys, so I opened my GNS now. So as you know that it is connected to my GNS VM, right? It is connected. So yesterday I did some testing lab for the GNS. I'll open that. Okay, how to connect this if you got any issue? So I have inserted so the Palo Alto this thing firewall. As you can see, it is connected. It will show you the what is the CPU usage, RAM usage. So right now it is a domain controller CPU. means which this is my local computers, and this is the one which is running in my ESXi server. You can see, so this is one which I am running in my ESXi server. Now, right now I'm using these two image file. Okay, so let's start this. Start with this guy. So it is going to run in the ESXi server, not in your local machine. Okay, so it takes time to boot the system. Okay, so meanwhile, we'll close the Windows. Sorry, in Windows 10 we have opened the GNS3, right? So just we'll close it because it is connected here. So how it is connected, I'll show you that. So go to edit. Okay, we can see there is an option called preference. If you open this preference, so go to the server of button. This is my local IP address, which has issued DHCP from my Wi-Fi router. Guys, are you hearing me right? Is my audible, all of you?
Yes, Taj.
Yes, Taj.
Okay. See, the server which I am seeing here, it is connected to my local server. The IP address is 192.168.0.99. Okay. The remote server name is, as you can see, the VMware server IP address is 0.2. Do you remember, right? Let me show you that. You can see okay. Where is my GNSP? You can see the IP address right here. The IP address is 192.168.0.2. Okay, so this IP address which is connected to my local PC, you can see. Now GNS VM, the VM remotely have connected for the GNS VM. So now this Palo Alto firewall which I on just now, okay, so this is running on your VMware ESXi virtual machine. Okay, so how to open this? Right click and open the console tab. So now we can see we have entered into your Palo Alto console. So here we can see, guys, when you try to log in, okay, it will give a lot of issue. It takes 5 to 10 minutes. The default password is admin. So you should remember this default password for the all Palo Alto. Once if you log in, it will ask you to change the password first. It will ask you to change the password first. So let it load this guy. So as we can see, it still is loading. So before loading it, just on your camera, all of you. Okay. So regarding the remote access, guys, so make sure that you have like enough, the minimum 50 Mbps speed required at your home to access the remote lab. Okay. So how you are planning, guys? So are you interested to access remotely these all things you can do hands-on?
Yes,
So
Taj.
who wants to access first and when?
Neil, see you.
Taj,
Sunday.
my batch will do on Sunday.
Yeah, me and Vishnu also on Sunday. I mean, our batch.
Okay, so like what time you want?
Oh, Taj, Vishnu's batch will be doing. Vishnu's batch they'll do morning, and my batch they'll do evening.
Okay, so now what I will do means it's okay, and anybody wants to do the hands-on at night? Why I'm asking is, okay, as you know that night time your bandwidth will be very good. The daytime the traffic will be very huge in the internet. So we can see very slow mode right here when I given the remote access to Rahul and Sonu and this thing, right? So night time we can't find such type of issues. So it will open very fast because remotely you are accessing. Okay, so is anybody interested? Night means so that I'll give access for night also.
Taj, you won't sleep, Taj.
I sleep, man.
Then
I sleep.
Sir, actually,
what if we tamper something?
Uh,
What if we tamper something which is important, like unknowingly?
mhm.
Taj,
Ah,
what if we tamper something unknowingly?
no, man.
Okay.
Take from Pranav's salary then.
Okay. So as we can see, guys, now it will ask me to just log in. The login default password, I will try to log in. So it will give an error. You can check, right? So admin. So I'll give the admin. So as we can see, I can able to log in to my Palo Alto Firewall, guys. You can see, right? Let me make it big, this one. So it's asking the enter your old password, right? I'll enter my old password. So now it's asking me to give my new password. Okay. So new password I will give. It's asking broadcast message from the root. Can you see this message? It's getting some broadcast message. Why all people are busy at I don't know why you people are like this.
Taj, Saturday night our team will practice.
Fine. So no issue. So Saturday I will give. So what time you want to log in, Sirisha?
Sir, as you prefer, sir, like we don't know.
No, I don't have because 9 o'clock, 10 o'clock also I'm
Okay, 9 o'clock.
fine. It's okay.
sir,
No.
Sunday our team will be. That's it.
Let me on
Okay.
this as well. So as you can
Sir?
see, this thing, guys, on the screen. So it's
Sir, I
trying to
invited-
reload the Palo Alto Firewall because it's getting some broadcast message from different thing because it is connected to the internet. Okay, so this firewall which is connected to the internet, the reason it's getting some broadcast message is going to reload it again. So it will take time. So what I did, So I have on this guy also. Because for you guys, I'm doing a very good setup for you to access this thing, because night time is okay. So night times, the bandwidth will be good, so that will not have any interruptions. We have, as you know, that night time, same like traffic, guys, traffic, Bangalore traffic, right? So night time traffic will be less, right? Same thing for the internet as well. That's the reason. So will not have any interruption, and will not the application will open very fast. Yeah, that's the reason I'm telling you to come to the night. Okay, so let's see whether they has been uploaded. So as we can see the screen, so still it is uploading the one thing 100 GB of the file. So one, it has been, guys, your all the lab. Not only I'm not talking about Saturday, Sunday, guys. So this will be for another thing 2 to 3 weeks. So I will give you my lab access from the remotely from the Teams. Okay, so you can able to access my home server. Okay, so I'm not talking about only this Saturday, Sunday. I'm talking about for every Saturday, Sunday, even working days also. If you are anybody free, especially for the night times, so we can access it. So before that, please let me know. Okay, so what you want to access? Okay, so now, okay, so I will take the help to prepare the lab manual, guys, which I have it purchase these things, because that is the access denied for other users. Only I can access it. For that, what I'm going to do, I will send a screenshot for the each lab manual for the command, so that it will help you to do the commands remotely at your home.
Thank you, Taj.
Right. Okay. So each and every step, the command topology commands, what we should configure on the router, what we should configure on your Palo Alto Firewall. Okay. So everything I will this thing. So when you access your any EVNG this thing, make sure that the file name you give your name followed by your lab name. Suppose you are doing Palo Alto, like Rahul Palo Alto Lab 1. I should know, right, what you have done it. Okay, it will be saved. So then later on I can check, okay, where you are stuck, what issue you have faced. All the commands will be stored there. I can come to know, so what challenges you are facing during the lab. Understood? The reason why I am telling you people, because you need to make sure that all they should have the hands on. I don't have any issue to give to for 3 hours, 4 hours, also no issues. And make sure minimum, I think 50 Mbps. If it is more than 50 Mbps speed at your home, that could be good. When you are accessing the lab, make sure that your Wi-Fi router should not connect to any other device. So it will get interrupt. It will get very slow access for your side. Understood?
Yes,
Yes,
Taj.
sir, less than 50, it will not be. Okay, sir. 50 ಗಿಂತ
Yes.
ಕಡಿಮೆ ಇದ್ರೆ speed.
ಕಡಿಮೆ ಇದ್ರೆ ಏನ್ ಪ್ರಾಬ್ಲಮ್ ಅಂದ್ರೆ, ಸೊ ಹ್ಯಾಂಗ್ ಆಗ್ಬಿಡುತ್ತೆ ನಿಮ್ ಕಡೆಯಿಂದ ಸ್ಲೋ ಬರುತ್ತೆ ಇಂಟರ್ನೆಟ್.
Because
ಈಗ ಹೆಂಗಂದ್ರೆ ರೈಟ್ ನೋ ಈ ಪೀಪಲ್ ಕನೆಕ್ಟೆಡ್ ವಯಾ ವೈರ್ಲೆಸ್ ಲ್ಯಾಪ್ಟಾಪ್. ಥ್ರೂ ಲ್ಯಾಪ್ಟಾಪ್ ಇಫ್ ಯು ವಾಂಟ್ ಟು ಆಕ್ಸೆಸ್ ರಿಮೋಟ್ಲಿ ಏನಾಗುತ್ತೆ, ಸ್ಲೋ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ. ನೀವು ನೋಡಿದ್ರಲ್ಲ, ಅದಕ್ಕೆ ನಿಮ್ಗೆ ಸ್ಯಾಂಪಲ್ ಕೊಟ್ಟಿರೋದು. It taking time, right, to open the applications, because in the Palo Alto Firewall need to open a lot of applications. So we should learn how to take the backup once if you have done the configuration. So ಅದಕ್ಕೆ ನಾನೇನ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ದೀನಿ, ಆಲ್ರೆಡಿ ನಾನು ಇನ್ಸ್ಟಾಲ್ ಮಾಡಿಟ್ಟಿದ್ದೀನಿ. all applications. It is already saved. You need not install any software. Just we need to use these tools. That's it. Okay. So let's see. This guy is open. Still is loading. So now how to install, guys? Let me show you this one also. So right now we can see on the right side of the screen. So I have installed the list of these Windows router and switches. We can see on the screen, right? So I install this all the router and switches. So I install this Cisco CSR, ISO, ISO L2 and L3 also I have installed. So if I open this, okay, it will ask me to upload this file. Okay, it's asking me to upload the file to the GNS3. So let's check this CSR router, Cisco service based router. So I have not uploaded any image files, right? So how to upload these, guys? So please pay attention here. So I'm going to teach you how to upload this image file, which I'm having that. First thing is first remove this because no one is uploaded here. You can see if you try to drag and put it here, okay, so it's not going to take any this thing here. Okay, you can see it's showing error, right? You can see the error. So, but this router is inbuilt. I think this can work, right? So this is inbuilt in the router. Okay, so I don't want to use this. So first remove this list first. Even Nexus also are not installed. So what you have to do it, go to preference, routers. Okay, as you know that this all thing, nothing I have installed. So let me check with this routers. Okay, this is installed. This is also inbuilt. These all are inbuilt. I don't want to remove these two. Rest of the things first we have to remove this before uploading your image files. Okay, I'll remove this. And these three are there. So let's go to iOS. These all things are not working. So now I'm going to show you how to upload these files. So select this, delete. Okay, so regarding the QMO UMO, so this also is not working. So only I'll remove this. So right now, these two are running now, the Palo Alto 404, 1004 and 904. And Windows 10, let me check Windows 10 is working or not.
Taj, one doubt.
Yes.
How do you know that it's running? Those routers and VMware, those firewalls and all.
Yeah, I'll tell you. So when you drag on the screen, when you take the drag, how we are doing using in the packet tracer, right? You're taking router, you're putting on the screen. Okay. If it is not placing on the screen means that is not uploaded. Same thing, right? Suppose if you are in packet tracer, how we are using, right? Router, firewall, PC, server, right? You're clicking on the icon, just dragging on the screen. Okay. When it is not inserting on the screen, so that means that it is not uploaded. So I'll show you this thing. Let me show you this Windows 10. See, Windows 10 is not installed. See, Vishnu. You can see, right? If I
Yes,
try
sir.
to drag this Windows 10, so
Okay.
it's not accepted. Means this also I have to remove it. So VMs, I have not installed these virtual VMs, and this Windows 10 PC, Windows 7, let it be, is not required. Okay, so right now this PC all are connected. We can see it is already placed. We can see the list of how it will show in the packet tracer. So here also it's showing. So it has got almost, I think, 12 ports for this switch. Okay, so then how to upload gas? Please check. Please see here. I'm going to upload the file in the GNS3. Okay, go to the new templates, which you can see here. You can see, right? New templates. We can see install and appliances from the GNS server recommended. Okay, I want to install to the in the VMware GNS3. Okay, click on next. So now it will show you the list of the thing where we can see. So right now, okay, so right now I'm going to install the router. Okay, so let's take Cisco Cisco IOU L3. I will take this one. So it will show you, okay, whether this is available at my PC or not. Okay, install. Next. So now see, it will show you only these files we can able to install it. Can you see here? You can see only these files can be installed. Okay, let me check in my this thing. I have installed in my VMs that IO3L2. Let me check whether these guys. So this is not there with me. We can see, so that file which I opened, so it is not available with me. So I have got Cisco CSR 1000, okay, IOS XR, okay, IOS XR 9000, okay, and Nexus L3 and IOS V. Means I can't install it. So how I can install? Okay, these are other options we can install. What I'm going to do, this is IOU. Okay, IOU files, I don't have it. Right. So what I'm going to do, just cancel it and can go install which you have it. So let me install Cisco IOS XR. So this is a list of files I have having now. So Cisco IOS XR. So let me install. Okay, we can see this file is there, right? So this file I am holding this one, right? So let me Cisco IOS XR install to the GNS VM remotely. I'm going to install in my server, not in my local PC. Okay. So QEMU by means Q emulator gas. QEMU means we can see, right? We can see. So QEMU means quick emulator. Okay. So as you know, let me check. These are the files we can able to install it. So let me check this file. Check these all files are there, right, with me. It should be the same file, guys. We can see iOS K9 demo 613. The 613 I'm having file, right? Can you see here? So this file I'm having it. What I'm going to do, I have this file. Okay, please import. Just click on the import. So import from where? Where is that file? Select the path. This is the file. So now it will ask you to, do you want to upload this file on the PC or not? It will ask you now. The file size of this image file is, I think, 400 MB. Okay, so it contains the 400 MB of this file. We can see on the screen, right? So 408.7 MB file is missing. So now we are uploading this file. Because, in my server, I'm doing a lot of things because, so here also the file is getting transferred. And let me switch off this guy. The power off means just right click, guys. How to power off the virtual machines. So while doing the lab, guys, don't do this mistake. Power off, right click and power off. Yes. So as you can see, guys, it's trying to upload the image file in your GNS. The tool application, guys, for all network engineers nowadays throughout the world, everybody using the only two things, EVNG and GNS3. That's it. Because of myself, I use the GNS, I think more than 10 years. Okay, so EVNG is the latest one. Since 3-4 years back, they have developed. Now it is become very famous because it is contain your web browser access. So this guy is uploading your 408 MB of data to other file. Let's check. Now we'll check this one. Can you see, guys? Can I able to access now? Can you see now? Vishnu, when you try.
Yes, sir.
So now we can able to access it. Right? The password is admin. I think. Let it open because it's loading now. See, guys, now it is ready to install. Can you see here? Guys, you are following, right? Okay. So now click on next, select the file and click on next. So would you like to install the Cisco IOS XRV version 6.1? Yes. Okay. The template will be available in the router category. So you can set admin username and password on the first boot. Don't forget the second stage is giving us some warning. So we have to commit your changes. Okay, finish. So applications has been installed and template name Cisco IOS XR successfully created. As you can see here, it has been created, right? Can you see here? Which I showed, it has been created. So now we can able to use this one. This is my Cisco iOS XR. Fine, guys. Okay. Now I will show you the other file. How to upload your Cisco firewall. Okay. So let's do that. Cisco ASA. You can see, right? Just click on Cisco ASA, then install on the remote one. Next, we can see this is the list of Cisco ASA firewall. Make sure that this file should be there in your local file. So then only we can try to upload. So let me check what are the files I'm having. Open my Cisco ASA. So right now I have got, I think, 5 firewall. I think this guy is there with me. Last one, ASA V962. Okay, 962, this guy. Okay, 962, yes. Let me check whether it will accept or not. This one also is there, 82 is not there. 63, 71. Okay, so let's check whether it will accept one ASA 971. Okay, I'll try to import. We'll take Cisco 9714. I don't think so it will accept anything. If it's not accepting means it will give the warning. So if you give the warning means don't worry. So in that situation, what we can do, so it will give the warning because this is a different file, what we are trying to upload it. Okay, so here what we can do, we can create the new one, which is there on the screen, right? Can you see? The create new version. Okay, right now, what firewall images file I'm using it, this is a world one. Fine, this is a world one. So what I'm going to do, if this file not accepted by GNS, I'll create new one. I'll upload this file. See, you can see, right? The message. So this is not the correct file. The MD5 means message digest file authentication sum is this and should be this actually. It's a different one. So would you like to accept this one risk? No, I don't want to install this. Okay, rather I'll create the new one. Okay, the new file, the new one is, let me open this. I'll upload this guy. Make sure that it should be the same file name. Okay, make sure that this should be the same file name. So I'll copy this one. Okay, and paste it here. Okay, Cisco ESA 982.qcow2.com. Fine, you can see the file name, same file, it should be the same file, qcow2, right? Okay. Okay. So we can see, right, 9731 disk file. You can see now it has been created now. So now try to import this one. Now we can push this file 71. So now it is getting uploaded. I'm just uploading this file because I have created the new one. So I'm going to show you this Cisco ESA firewall. And this act as a real firewall. It's not like your GNS firewall. So we are using 55055506, right? So that firewall is very basic firewall. This firewall is a little bit advanced one, where this all the function it will do. Okay, so now it is ready to install. Click on it and just next. Would you like to install this software? This image file, yes. You can see the password, default password also he has mentioned. There's no default password has been configured. You can see, right? It will show you there's no default password. It has been issued. Just finish it. Okay. Now we can see Cisco ESA firewall has been installed. Can you see here? If you want to change the image file also we can change. Let me show you that one also. We can see this is the image file. Click on it, edit. We can see the symbol. Okay, so if you have the symbol file, okay, we can add that. No problem. Okay, so like number of hard disk, it has taken by default. Okay, and network adapter, how many you want? You want 8 or like number of interfaces. Okay, more number of interfaces means it will take long time to boot. Okay, not recommended. Right now, let it be 8. Okay, so advanced user, I don't have to give any password. So we can see this one details. Let it be okay. So I will take this firewall. So here also, if you want to change the symbol also, we can change the symbol. So it will show the list of symbols, guys. like whichever you want. So I will take this firewall. Okay, apply and okay. You can see this is very simple. Just click on it, like you can connect to your firewall. So now what I'm going to do, so let me connect this guy. How to connect is, I hope you understood, right? How to upload. Do you want me to show one more, guys? Vishnu, I think Pavitra,
Yes,
Anjali,
it's understood.
Diksha, Prano. You want me to show one more image file how to upload in the, okay? So right now I have done with the ASA. So let it open. Okay. Start. Okay, let it boot it. It takes time. At the same time, I'll upload the one more firewall. So when you click on a new template at the bottom of your screen, okay, so it will show you the compliances recommended. GNS VM means this image I'm running in my ES success server, guys. Because at your local machine, okay, I don't have the sufficient hardware resource to run this all multiple VMs. Right. So each firewall, it takes by default 4 GB of RAM. Okay. So click on next. So I'll take, you have to select the firewall. If you click on the firewall, it will show you the list of firewalls for the different vendors. Right now, I'm going to install your Cisco ESA firewall. Install. I want to install these appliances on GNS VM recommended. It will show you by default, it will select. Okay, click on next. So this is a list of files is available. Right now, I don't have this any image, guys. So I have the image which I have very old versions of the ESA firewall. Okay, but it almost all good ESA firewall. So what I'm going to do, if it is not available, we can see here the previous button. We can see it's a no import and download. No option. So then we have to create the new one. Okay, so I am going to create new one. Let me check which image file I have it. Let me upload this guy. I'll copy this guy. So this is my ASA. V means, okay, you know, long form of ASAV. Diksha, Anjali, what is the long form of this? ASAV means, don't go Google anything. Anjali, दाएं बाएं नहीं देखना.
Sir, ASA no.
Anjali, can you tell me?
सर मुझे नहीं पता.
Can you tell me, Pranav?
No, I don't know.
Because, you know, I love to ask question to, especially for Pranav. Vishnu, can you tell me?
No, I don't know Taj.
Taj.
Pavitra ji, where is Pavitra? To Pavitra.
Taj.
Yes.
Is it ASA and virtual?
Okay, virtual is correct.
Yes.
I told you, right? ASA, Adaptive Security Compliances.
Hey, remove this charger, please.
ASA stands for, Pavitra, what we are doing? I think Pavitra is in canteen or in the training room.
I am in the training.
I think she is in the pantry, right? Okay. Preeti, you are at home? Pavitra, just tell me what is EISA stands for. Cisco ASA. You know, your content is ready. Just I need to send you for day
Yes,
off.
sir.
For day off, you should know all these things. Not only this one device. There is a device operation, right? Day off means you should know all the device. Okay, guys, I'll repeat this thing. ASA stands for Adaptive Security
Adaptive
Appliances.
Appliance.
Security appliances. V means virtual. Okay. The hardware device is the Cisco hardware device, which is here in the big box. Okay. So I'm giving this one, this all image file, what they are seeing on the screen, it is not there with me. That's the reason I'm creating the new one. Now we can see it asking to import. So 932-200. Let me upload this guy. So it is uploading this to my server. Fine. So it's going to upload. We can see, right? It's getting uploaded to the server. At the same time, let me check how much it has been done. Why it is not yet uploaded? Let it load this thing. This guy. Oh, it's almost all done, guys. We have done with one complete disk one. This 100 GB data has been transferred since morning. Okay, so I think it almost all done. Maybe so after completing a lunch, we'll install the EVNG in ESXi. Okay, I'll not give the lunch now. So I want to take another 15-20 minutes. So let's check. Okay, we can see, right? Now this is ready to install. You can see it at the bottom. It will show you the ready to install. Select that one, just next. Would you like to install the Cisco ASA version ASA this thing? Yes. Okay. It has not set any default password. It's showing. Optional, if you want, we can set the password. Yes. So as we can see, these two has been installed. We can see, right? This is the guy which we have installed it. Right. This is the different version firewall. This is a different version firewall, guys. This is the firewall. How to change the image? Right click and change the image. Like which one do you want? It's trying to connect with the local server. Let me check which firewall you want. You take this. So how to open this firewall? Because guys, as you know that, so this firewall just now I have on it. The on firewall we can see here, the green button, right? We can see in the green button. So green button indicates that it is on. The red button is it's off. Okay. So I'll open the console. You can see, right? So this guy has been opened now.
Raj, can you show once more that green button and red button?
Yeah.
There's
Okay. The point which is showing the green button means it's on. The router is on. The red button means it's off. Okay. So this firewall is loading, guys. So I'll not at this because it takes a lot of hardware resources and this thing. Okay, you understood, right? How to upload the image files? Anybody, all of you?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Let me this thing that is running on KVM environment. Okay, when you boot the firewall, guys, especially, so don't type anything, because the word which you are entering, any word, any enter means it will consider as a command. Right? It's like Linux, right? Anybody idea about the Linux, right? You are giving some commands, especially for the firewalls. Okay, so now we can see this Windows 7. So I can't able to use this Windows 7. Can you see how to add the end user devices? How to add your end user device? Okay, so now guys, this guy is showing. You can see this Palo Alto Firewall which I on. It is ready. It's showing some critical issues. Okay, let it be continue. So it's asking to just reset this one. This is a Palo Alto image file, guys. Okay, so I will do the factory reset. You know the factory reset? Any idea about factory
Erasing all the
reset,
data.
guys?
Erasing all the data, sir.
Yes. Erasing
Yes,
all
because
data and make it completely new.
yes, because what happened means when I have noticed here, when I log in into this Palo Alto firewall, so it was getting some message. Can anybody notice what is that message? Who will tell this? Sonu.
Was it the password one?
Not password one.
So it was
I
something
have
from
logged in,
internet, sir.
I have changed the password. I have logged in, I have changed the password. So after the password for the Palo Alto, it was showing some message. That message was
It was something from internet, sir.
from the external, it's getting message. That message is called broadcast message because it is to the internet directly. That's the reason this firewall is unable to reboot this time. So that's the reason I'm doing the factory reset. Press enter, select that one. Okay, it's showing the Palo Alto, right? Okay, usage image, yes. Okay, and enter. Okay, so it takes time to factory. Same thing, your mobile phone. So performing factory setup will be remove all logs and configuration. We can see, right? You can see on the screen, it will remove your all files. Same thing I think you have done in the mobile phone, right? In Android mobile phone, the factory reset means will take backup of your contacts, your image, your videos, right? So after that, it will going to remove your all data. Okay, so factory reset. So it's going to load that. So let me check this firewall. It is loading. Let me on this guy. How to on? Just right click and start. That's it. Nothing else. So percentage complete. We can see, right? So it's getting resetted. It takes a lot of time. Okay. Okay. So I don't want to connect this any one of these cloud. Any firewall. So we can see this boot load node configured bin file. So I'll take without no configuration option. It will ask you the option like what you want to do. So I want to boot flash with the no configuration. Okay, this is a fresh. I want to boot. The password is just enable and enter. So how we are entering the Cisco ESA firewall, right? Same thing here also. Okay, we are almost all done, guys. Here, only this has got only 25% left. In another 30 minutes, it will be completed. So, what time you want to go for lunch, guys?
$120. For the 115.
115. Anjali, you're following? Just I'm showing just basic configuration. I'm not doing anything, just uploading this thing. You have the tomorrow English section, right? If you don't have any English training, soft skills training, let me know. I'm ready to take the training tomorrow. So that today we get ready, we'll get in, do the installation part. So I'm not how to give the connection, guys. Let me explain the connections and then how to connect it. Okay, please check here how to connect it. We can see the RJ45 cable right here, left side of your screen. Okay, just take add link. Okay, where you want to connect. So I want to connect this router fast Ethernet to this Cisco ASA gigabyte 0/0/0. Okay, and this firewall I want to connect to switch. Okay, so now I log in to my EU. Okay, so this I have not configured anything, guys. Okay, nothing I configured. If you click here, there's no image files. Can you see? Nothing is active. Cisco switch I configured, and you can see everything is in blank. Only Palo Alto I have installed it. Only one of the things is in Palo Alto, which I have installed it. So right now I will not put it this thing because so once after your lunch, then we'll do the lab sessions. Okay. So this is the guys. Let me delete this. So when you open your Palo Alto, guys, this is the EVNG screen, guys. Okay, this all option we can see. You can see the more action, start all the device, stop, console port, how to add these things, delete the setup file. And if you want to close the lab, you can close the lab. Okay, so right now I have created 2 labs, guys. You can see it has been, I have created the 2 labs. Okay, so how to create a new lab, guys, please listen here. When I give the access, so when you open the EU, the IP address, which the Vishnu was trying, the first page will come like this on your screen. Okay, the first page will come like this. Fine. So please pay attention just for another 10 minutes. Then you can go to lunch. So when you open, click here, new folder name. So I'll create one this thing file name. PA dash routing lab in Palo Alto. Okay. So let's add. So it will create you the folder. This is how to create the folder. So right now I don't want to delete this. I don't want this. So what I'm going to do, either we can go for add new tab. Okay, change the item name. Okay, or else add the new tab. If you want to create the new file name, guys, please pay attention because it's the first page when you log in your EVNG. Okay, so I'll give PA routing lab -01. Okay, just give the file name. Don't enter anything here. Description, task. Okay, just we are doing some routing. Description means which protocol you're configuring, static or default routing. Okay, if you want, we can give it. Just save it. The moment if you save means the screen will change. Okay, so if you want to change the screen, also we can change light mode, or else if you want to change the dark mode. So I prefer to go for your dark mode. Fine. So just I have created just for the testing part. So let me check. I'll add the new node. Let me add my this thing Cisco ESR router. So here, guys, when you do this and Eve, don't change the default settings. Otherwise, it will create a lot of issues for me because I had to work like full day and night. Okay, so don't do any changes. Okay, I want only one node, or just I want to connect the two router. I want Cisco this thing. Let it be the default one. Okay, so right now I have indicated this one. Save. So let's try to load these two routers. It's trying to load the two image file, guys. Okay, so now the two router has been, I used it. So one more thing, guys, when you on the router, you can't connect the cable here. Before owning the device, you should connect the connectivity. Otherwise, it will not accept. Okay, so now let me add some nodes like PCs. Let me add VPC. So guys, regarding the virtual PC, so here also we can upload your Windows 10 server also we can upload, but I don't want to take that. What kind of PC you want? You want desktop or just some whichever PC you want, you can take from here. You want to connect firewall to the node, like how you want to connect. So right now, I will take just PC, just for my testing. I will take 4 PCs. 4 PC I will take. Okay, so 2 PC I will connect here, and 2 PC I will connect it here. Okay, so after that I want the switch, so I will take switch. Okay, switch I already integrated Cisco IOS switch. So for this I want 2. You can see these are the 2 switches are available. Let me connect this way. Okay, guys. So now we can able to connect it. I didn't on the any PC, guys. Okay. Before owning your all the devices, make sure that it should be properly placed. Okay. Just I'm showing the how to use a EVNG. Then we'll go for the Palo Alto lab. Okay. The same topology we can use it. That is a very good advantage. What I am connecting here, when you access remotely a Saturday, Sunday, even that one also we can able to access it. Okay. So let me connect this. Okay. I want to connect. Okay. Now it has been connected. So now I want to connect to the switch. The switch, we can see it will show you, right? From CSR router to which interface you want to connect. I want to connect 0. Yes. So now it's getting connected. Same thing here. 0. Okay. Now I want to connect for your end user devices for my PC. Same thing this guy. So now I have connected my topology. Fine, guys. So now we'll see. Okay, it has almost all done, guys. We are getting uploaded now. Okay, individually also we can able to on the device, or even all the device at the same time also we can able to on it. Okay, so I will on all the devices at the same time. Let's see how much memory it takes. It takes around, I think 16 GB here. So how to on all the device, more action. So this is a list of console to all, start all nodes, stop all nodes. Okay, so edit tab, delete the startup configurations. So how to delete everything option is here GUI based, right? All are GUI based. Okay, so before we go for the lunch, I will on the device, but I will not open the console. Okay, it takes time. And other this thing is still the file is still uploading. You can say it now. It is almost 84%. This is 92. Okay, once if you go for lunch, so we'll continue the lab. So what I'm going to do, just start all the nodes. Okay, it's getting started. So once it has been started, you can see it will become your blue color. You can see, right? This is a Windows 10. The image has been changed. Can you see here? Right, it has been seen, right? So now we can take break, guys. So after the break, we'll continue. Then we'll start doing the installation part, and then we'll jump for the other part of the today's session.